Hi, George. It sounds like you're missing one step. So let me just have a quick look here at the portfolio. Let's go to the law, components, isotope portfolio. Okay, I want to show you the step that I think we're missing here. Oh, why did I open the wrong one? Oh, I got a Dreamweaver site. Hang on a second. I have to open up the right thing. Okay, so this data filter button right here, see this dot group 1? And down here we have a group 4. We go lower down on the page, a group 1 down here and a group 4. The name in here, so you actually need to have a period, okay? And then you need to give it a name. And I just went with group 1, 2, 3, 4 to make things simple. But you actually, if you're going to change the name to government, and I noticed in your ticket, now unfortunately your code didn't come through, a name like this won't work for two reasons. It's uppercase and there's a space in the name, right? So if I wanted, for example, this button right here, let's say I want to change this to government entities. Well, what I can do is I can actually change the words here. So I'll just copy this for a sec. See the text in black? That's the actual name that shows up on the button when you're in the physical page, right? So you can actually change this to government entities. But over here, the actual filter needs to change to lowercase. You need to keep the period, and there's no spaces in file name. So just go with government. Okay, that's what I would do right there, or mental, whatever you want to call it. Right, you could use this, pop it in here, change that to a lower, make sure there's no extra space, and then you just double click on that. You go down below, and wherever you see, say, a group, if there's a group 1, you just double click on it and then paste in the word governmental down here. And you can get rid of, if you don't want it to be part of multiple groups, get rid of any other group that's in there. Okay, but the key thing is right here, this group has to match this down here. The only difference being is up here we have a period to define a class. Okay, over here in the actual name of the button you can put whatever you want. Over here, one word, all lowercase. So I just want to make sure you're following those critical steps there. Okay, and then down here, of course, so if you wanted this very first isotope box to be part of the governmental entities filter, then you just double click, copy, go down to group 4, double click, paste. And then now that this, when you click this button, this will be one of the boxes that shows up.